I saw. So when are you going back to the city?
I'm in 2 days.
Oh.
So soon. Oh, man.
I will really miss you.
Mommy, you don't have to worry, because I'm not going to stay there forever and ever. Albert and his parents have been so good to me. In fact, they treat me like their own son. Hey, I'm really comfortable there, Mommy.
I'm so happy. You know, all these things happen because God is with you. I just pray you continue to take good care of you till you finish your education.
I'm also praying for you.
What about your friend's mother?
Oh, Mrs. Pimpon, Mommy. The woman has been so nice. She's so nice. Yeah. She treats me like my own son. In fact, the whole family, they are very nice and sociable people. Especially their father, Mr. Frimpong. He likes me so much.
Hey. So that's why you want to leave me?
Oh, Mommy, no.
Hey!
You know you are my biological mother. I can't go and then stay there forever and ever. If I go, I will definitely come back. Because I need to go get myself a very good job after school. Come back here, then come and build a beautiful house for you.
Me?
Take good care of you.
Hey. So is that why you want to leave me to the city?
Nah. I want to come and take very good care of you.
Thank you. I'm so happy. I'm not saying you want to leave me. I was just pulling your legs.
Hey, Mommy.
All I'm saying is that when you go back to the city, be very careful. And don't try to offend any of them. Be a good boy. Work hard and pray always. Because the Bible says we should pray without ceasing. It's okay.
I would do just that, man.
It's my boy.
Mommy, I want to go and see Stephen. You know, since I'm here, I need to help them with their homework and all that. So
it's okay.
I need to go and see them so that I can help them to do their homework.
It's okay.
So I'm going. I'll come back, but not now. It will be in the evening.
I don't keep long.
Oh, Mommy. I'll come back soon.
Greet his mother for me.
Okay, I will.
Hey, God. God, I thank you. Thank you so much.
Did you ask that boy to clean the car?
No, I didn't.
Do you know when he slept last night?
No.
As late as 1 a.m., that boy was up. And not just up, he was reading. Where were your children?
What do you mean, where were my children?
They weren't in this house, that I knew for sure.
You mean they are still not in this house?
Where are they?
But they are in their rooms reading.
I do hope so.
But why are you sounding like this?
Give me some fingers. Some cool fingers like that. Tell me what thing that. Hey, some differentiation and shit. Man, don't doing all this. Man, you gotta slow down, man. Slow down a bit.
Albert, as you can see, I'm busy learning. I'm very busy learning. I need to get these things done before tomorrow morning. Get them printed out before I can submit them.
Sure, man, listen up. I get a whole something like that. But man, I ain't giving my whole 100% time on it. Man, just brush it up, man. Man, this new girl in town, man. This girl is so fascinating and enchanting. So beautiful, man. But you know, I managed to get some contact, right? I'm
so what?
Hold on it like that.
So what?
Sure, I mean, this girl make her have a swing on just like that. Trust me, boy.
Albert, I don't know what's wrong with you. Look, don't tell me you are thinking of cheating on this girl. Deborah doesn't deserve this kind of present you want to go and give to her, okay?
Just know, baby. I know Deborah is cool, but hey, man, I bet you heard of this song by Lloyd, like something, you know. I know you're right, but I just want to change that girls. That's what I'm doing. I'm just trying to swap.
Ladies are not like shoes, you know.
I'm not choosing, but man, this guy is so hot, so beautiful. Man, Coach's party is coming on. Man, this the bomb. This the bomb. Just go inside and just get what you want to wear. Let's go.
Albert. You know I'm not down with those kind of things.
You shook me, man.
Please.
You need to get your mojo. We need to stop all these things. Man, just stop this. Coach's party, this is the hottest guy on campus. You know that in between me and you,
Albert, if I want to free my mind, you know where I will go. Go and sit somewhere in the garden, relax, feel the naturalness of it, feel the ambience of the place. I mean, get myself relaxed, free my mind.
Joe, man, you sick, man. You sick. Trust me, you sick. You ain't know what's good. You ain't know what's good. Just snug. You know daddy's downstairs. Huh?
Well.
You take the book because you're going to ask me
cut
later.
the long talk. You take the lead. I'll join you guys later.
Whatever, boy. She could pay me here.
Big babies. Yeah, what's up? The food will be ready in 15 minutes. On the menu, we have rice, chicken, spaghetti, sausage.
Oh, my favorite.
Your favorite.
What do you think you're doing?
You're too sensitive.
That's my feelings.
Hey,
No.
hey. I can't imagine your boyfriend or you having press ups.
You're always funny. You're stupid, man.
I should be right under.
Stop it. Your friend.
Stop what? Shut up. I'm having my feelings down here. Hey.
Okay. Crazy, yeah. Is the food not ready?
No.
I'm hungry.
Trudy, what's wrong with you? Nothing. You're thinking about something. Tell us, what's it?
Are you okay?
Are you thinking about your boyfriend? Huh?
You are not alright.
Why are you ready? Well, because we want to know. All right, yes, it's about my boyfriend. He's getting serious lately. He's talking about marriage.
Marriage?
Pam 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 pam.
Now, I join you two as husband and wife!
Reduce the bread.
Girlfriend, wake up. Wake up. Darling, sweetness, why do you want to sell your freedom to Mr. Nobody? Or you want to be Mrs. Trudy Nobody? Excuse me. Your friend, sweet baby. Mrs. Trudy Nobody.
You know what, Mr. Ado? Mr. Ado, be a man, okay? Pull yourself together and be a man. Look here. We have over 20,000 Ghana cedis down the drain, and all you can tell me is to be a man. The money we are talking about here is even not my own. God, how am I going to handle this? How? Okay, you know what, Mr. Ado? What do we do? What do we do then? What do we do then?
You leave me alone. I will have to think. You leave me alone. I have to think. Oh God. What do I do, God? How on earth will I be able to raise this money for this man? Eh?
You don't look cheerful.
No, I'm not too happy with the way things are going on in the office and here at home. Business is bad, and my debtors are not being honest with me. Can you imagine Mr. Ado took a loan from me and now he's beginning to toss me about? I don't want to bring the law against him, but this is certainly getting serious.
Then talk with him. I know he's always been a faithful and good friend to you, hasn't he?
Yes, I've done all that. Yet he keeps complaining that he needs a little more time.
Don't you worry. Give him a little chance, and I hope he can settle it.
Now, honey, the other thing is the children. They are not serious at all with their lives. Look at Trudy. She just can't stay one full week on campus. She comes in and out of this house as if there is nothing at stake.
Dad, stop worrying about these children. Stop worrying about Trudy. She's old enough to take care of herself. More so, she told me she wanted to get married, so she'll be all right. Don't worry about it.
How can she start talking marriage when she can't just sit behind her books and get one thing straight? Look, nobody knows what is going to happen tomorrow. The more reason why we must be careful with the decisions we make today.
Dad, she will be all right. Leave her alone. Now let's talk about another thing and stop talking about Trudy.
How can I not stop worrying when I don't know who is going to take good care of the company? Albert is not serious at all with his life. And I doubt if he can handle the company when I'm no more.
How can you say this? Dan, is it because they don't perform well in school or what?
No, that's not the point. It's because they are not serious at all with anything they do. Didn't you notice the manner in which Asiama comported himself the last time he was here? God, how I wish I have that boy for a son. If I have such a son, I wouldn't be having all these sleepless nights.
What? I can't believe hearing this from you. What a comparison.
My son, so when are you going back to the city?
In 2 days.
Oh,
So soon. Oh, man.
I will really miss you.
Mommy, you don't have to worry, because I'm not going to stay there forever and ever. Albert and his parents have been so good to me. In fact, they treat me like their own son. Hey, I'm really comfortable there, Mommy.
I'm so happy. You know, all this thing happened because God is with you. I just pray you continue to take good care of you till you finish your education.
I'm also praying for you.
What about your friend's mother?
Oh, Mrs. Pimpon, Mommy. The woman has been so nice. She's so nice. She treats me like her own son. In fact, the whole family, they are very nice and sociable people. Especially their father, Mr. Frimpong. He likes me so much.
So that's why you want to leave me?
Oh, Mommy, no.
Hey!
You know you are my biological mother. I can't go and then stay there forever and ever. If I go, I will definitely come back. Because I need to go get myself a very good job after school. Come back here, then come and build a beautiful house for you.
Me?
Take good care of you.
Hey! So is that why you want to leave me to the city?
Nah. I want to come and take very good care
God,
of
I
you.
thank you. I'm so happy. I'm not saying you want to leave me. I was just pulling your legs.
Hey, Mommy.
All I'm saying is that when you go back to the city, be very careful. And don't try to offend any of them. Be a good boy. Work hard and pray always. Because the Bible says we should pray without ceasing. It's okay.
I would do just that, Mommy.
It's my boy.
Mommy, I want to go and see Stephen. You know, since I'm here, I need to help them with their homework and all that. So
It's okay.
I need to go and see them so that I can help them to do their homework.
It's okay.
So I'm going. I'll come back, but not now. It will be in the evening.
I don't keep long.
Oh, Mommy. I'll come back soon.
Greet his mother for me.
Okay, I will.
Hey. God, I thank you. Thank you so much.
Ajoa. You should have been there.
I wish I were there. Oh.
It was so beautiful. Well, now that you are telling me Trudy wants to get married, we have to organize something similar when the time comes.
Sissy, that would be wonderful. But, do you know something? Things are turning bad in this house these days.
Why?
Hey, Dan has started complaining about everything my children do in this house. Today they are lazy. The next day they are not serious. They are not in their rooms. I don't know. And the worst part of it is he has developed some love for the boy, Esiama. I don't know where that comes from. Do you know, Dan opened his mouth and told me he couldn't trust to leave his company into the care of my children when he is no more. Can you believe this?
This is serious. Act fast before your husband sees that boy as his own son.
And what do I do?
And wills everything to him. Not everything, no. Your children are going to share their father's wealth with a total stranger. Is that the boy?
He is the one. He is the one.
I think I saw him the other time I visited you. And as I was saying, act fast before things get out of hand.
But if Dan hates me for not treating me well, what am I going to do?
Don't be childish.
I'll try. Try to do what I can. I'll try.
This is your house. This is your home. And nobody can take it from you. If your husband doesn't like the idea, make this boy unhappy. Make him unhappy enough that he will live by himself. This boy knows how you and your husband suffered before getting this house. Hey, if it were me,
say it again.
I would throw him away like a paper.
Throw him away?
Oh yes. Me, I'll do it. And you know me. Love me.
Standing at this time. Hypocrites. Hypocrite. Standing at this time. What do you hope to achieve? What do you hope to achieve? Look, what do you want? Shut up! Before you entered this house, there was peace between the father and the children. Now all that is to complain at everything they do. Eh? What do you want to achieve? I don't know. Say a word again and you see. If you don't take it, I'll throw you out of this house. Hypocrite. Look, you can never succeed in ruining the family I've been able to build for all these years. Let me tell you. Foolish boy. Dare say a word again. Dare say a word again and you will see what I will do to you. Look, if you are smart, use your intelligence to get your mother out of the property over there. And when I see you near my husband again, I'll throw you out of this house. Daddy, is he your father? Is he your father? Go and find your father. Go and find your father. I'll get you out of this house one day. Foolish boy. Dare say a word again. You will see what I will do to you. Say a word again. You will see what I will do. You will see what I'll do to you. Come on. Come on. Get off my neck. Come on. It's not the time to step. Foolish boy.
Because the look on your mom's face, I mean, Albert, I don't think somebody must tell me what, I mean, your mommy is thinking of.
I say, well, listen now. Do you know why I'm still finding it very difficult to understand you? Because you know, dad and mom, they are on you, man. They love you. They're thinking you must. Come on, see, man.
Albert, this is not how we used to be, you know. Look, this is not how it was. Things have changed, Albert. The way things are going, look, I feel that I'm no more needed here.
You just scrap this, man. Just stop disturbing yourself about all these things, man. Mom and dad, they love you, right? So what's your complaint now? What's your complaint, man? Let's just bash out, baby. Do you know what? You know that small hot place behind Auntie B's place, that club over there, memories, man. Let's just bash up tonight. Let's just roll and then we'll go, man. He's gonna be there. You know what I'm talking about, man. Give me a head out. Give me some fingers, man. Just talking. I mean, just feel free. What's this? I'm not in the mood. Your mom gonna take some kush, alright? You're gonna meet, huh? Alright, Jack. Oh, dear.
Things are happening where you have the good, the bad, and the ugly. A world where we're affected by the decisions we make and the actions we take. How we choose to live our lives is up to us.
Hey, George. Good year. That's Georgia. But the righteous will be blessed. Get out. Wow. What goes around goes up, must come down. What we do now, someday we'll pay for somehow. Oh, life's what you make of it. What you sow is what you reap. That's the way. That's the way. That's the way. How we live your life. We're affected. We're living in a world where things are happening. Where you have the good, the bad, and the ugly. A world where we're affected by decisions we make and
house.